Hello everyone and welcome. And this video I'm going to walk you through Katana. That's right, Katana Cloud Inventory App AI. So now what it does is this: it's for tariff management, retail, inventory management, omni-channel, e-commerce, manufacturing, account firm, agency, and consultancy. That's exactly what it's for. That's the uses. It can be used in different industries like apparel, cosmetic, electronics, food and beverage, furniture industries. Now, the other features: real-time inventory, production management, purchase management, cloud accounting, sales order management, warehouse management, planning and forecasting, and you can see others by clicking here. So for integration, it's integrating to Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, QuickBooks Online, HubSpot, and Zero. It's really good. So let's see what else we got here. So it has a lot of resources. You can see a lot of resources here. And a lot of companies use it. If you want to know more about the company, you can check them out here. And when it comes to pricing, all the tools are connected and you can see the pricing. It's not like others. Let's see. You can find the right plan that you need. All the plans come with limited users, SKUs, and integrations. So there's a startup plan, there's a standard plan, the professional plan, then the professional plus plan. If you want to engage in this, you have to talk with the sales. It's annually voted best in class by both customers and partners, so you can compare all the features if you want. You also have Katana add-ons for food traceability, planning and forecasting, advanced manufacturing, warehouse management. You pay a little amount per month. It has dedicated support and specialized onboarding services. Help is there when you need it, personalized onboarding plan for your business, and more. Let's go back to the main page. Alright. So what Katana does is that it simplifies inventory and scale your business, ensures on-time deliveries, accurate stock levels, and resilient supply chain with Katana. This is a cloud-based inventory software. Cloud-based. You get 1.2 times increase in inventory turnover. All the tools can be connected. Like we said earlier, spreadsheets and overkill ERP slowing down your business. Stop inefficient data management and paying for features you don't use. Just switch to a system that gives exactly what you need to enhance operational efficiency, improve cash flow, and reduce stockouts and overstock. You get 60% higher sales on average year over year. Like I said, 1.2 times increase in inventory turnover, 6 weeks to fully implement versus the 6 to 12 months for most ERPs. It helps you get your product to customers faster, supports your workflow regardless of industry with the features and seamless integration needed to do your business your way. So I talked about inventory management earlier. So these are other stuff it does. We'll talk about them. I've mentioned them before. I talk about integration also. So it integrates with all this. So you can get the inventory visibility you need whether you are selling, manufacturing, or doing both. These are the industries like I told you earlier. So if you want the fast track to success, Katana is always here to help. And about the fastest, the most efficient ways to get the most out of Katana's capability through a specialized onboarding process that focuses on your company's needs or the Katana Academy. So guided onboarding, continuous success. You get so much. You can learn more here or use the Katana Academy. Now you can see what people are saying to their testimonials here. So you also get resources to help scale operations and unlock your full potential. These are the resources. So we're a good buy to uncertainty when you use Katana Cloud Inventory, which is an AI-powered tool for total inventory control. So if you want to get a demo, click here.